What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of some DJ skins. What I mean by that, I got some skins from my Pioneer DJM-S9 and my two Technics 1210 MK2s. I got some white skins. You'll see. Right, let's get into it right now. All right, here we go. This is right here, the top thing. This is for the mixer right here. Let's take a look at it. Right there, that's the mixer. It's a nice vinyl skin. It's approximately $49.99 on the website. 12-inch skins. I didn't even mention that. 12-inch skins. That's the website. I'll put a link below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And right here, it comes with instructions. Tells you how to do it. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it today, and it's gonna be the easiest thing you ever did before. Has some side panels, Pioneerdj. That's the first one right here. And here's the second one right there on the side. And this is the front of the mixer. It's the bottom front where you turn, you know, it's the microphone and your crossfader options. You put that right there as well. And you'll see the finished product later. And let's get into the turntable skins. It's for my Technics. I have, like I said, I have two Technic 1210 MK2s. And for a pair, it's not bad. $89 for a pair. My total, I believe, was about $150. So let's get this out right now. Let's see how it looks. All right, let's go. Come on. This bag's giving me some trouble right now. Give me a second, all right? All right, here we go. Here it is. It also has instructions as well. It has you see the tempo pop. Everything pops out, which is great. So it fits perfectly. You have the start. The start and stop for the turntable. You have the power on, power off sticker, and it's like a solid vinyl. Like you drop anything on it, you just wipe right off. It's not gonna ruin it. It's perfect. It's perfect for, you know, you're in the club, you're DJing, and you drop your drink on it. You may ruin the turntable, but your skin will still be good. There it is. Look at that. What a beauty. And this comes with full instructions as well. But again, we're going to do it together right now. Very simple, very easy. And it has, I guess these are, I don't even have this part of my DJ set, so it comes with that as well. Alright, let's get into it. I'm going to pull out the mixer in about a minute, and we'll start taking apart the mixer, and we can start putting the stickers on. So remember, you're going to need some alcohol, not to drink, some spray alcohol to clean it, and a felt pad. Alright, here's my mixer. It's a little dirty right now, but we're going to start taking all the buttons, everything off. And you could buy it's a pick set. You go buy at a Home Depot or Lowe's. It's right here. See this right here? It's a small set. I'll put a link as well on the bottom. All right, let's start taking it apart. I'll be back. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. You don't watch this whole thing. It's gonna take way too long. All right, let's speed it up. All right, be right back. Alright, real quick, you see me speeding up. I cleaned it with some alcohol, some Swift pads. You see the Swifter pads on the side. You're going to tape each side. You'll see how I tape it right now. You're going to tape each side, one here and one right over here. And basically make sure it's perfectly fit. And pull, once you pull the sticker off right halfway, cut it down the middle with a scissor, just like that. And boom, one side sticks perfectly. And you take the tape off and you pull the other side and it'll perfectly fit easily. Make sure you get all that dirt off, like I said. You got to wipe everything down. And just watch the rest. It's pretty simple. Alright, take a look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. I put all the buttons back. It's pretty simple. Make sure you get your crossfaders, everything back. It's pretty simple. I had a little trouble with the browsing buttons. You have to make sure you fit it correctly. It was a little troublesome. But let's get into the turntable right now. And this, again, you can pop everything out. It's pretty simple. Pull off the fader. And make sure you clean it as well. I had a lot of dirt right there. Look at that. That's a little crazy. And then when you take your platter off, you want to stick your finger right. See the two holes on there. You're gonna try to hit it off. Take a simple screwdriver or something, and you'll bang it right off real quick. It'll come off. It's. Let me speed this up, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Here we go. And here we go. Here's the final product. Take a look at how beautiful that looks. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. I appreciate it. Thank you, everybody. And until the next show, take care. Bye.